Alright, just be safe.
That's a go.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I might actually have to get off right now.
Why?
Gotta go eat.
Twin, you can eat, babe.
I guess the twin. I guess I have the pirate's win.
No, wait, no, we'll save the game for tomorrow. We'll start it up tomorrow, okay, bro?
Hold on. We're gonna do this game tomorrow.
Yes.
But we're gonna do what we were planning to do. Sandstorm was supposed to play games.
Alright. But tomorrow, fancies versus Halo Pirates tomorrow. See ya.
Or wait, are we doing a team?
We're doing a game now because the Desert Sandstorm was supposed to play yesterday.
That's I'm trying to hit into that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, is this like getting recorded?
Yeah. Up just 3, 2, 1, go. I want to try to score insane goals this time.
I hit that, right? That went in. Yeah.
That one in. No, foot shot. Backroom shot. That's what we're called it. Go. I don't know whether to count that as a backroom shot or anything. Also, icing doesn't apply because it doesn't apply to one-man games. Wrong thing.
Dang, I was trying to get it out of the way.
Don't worry. What we do? That. Pay attention to the wire journeys. Where'd the puck go?
It went all the way over there.
I don't know why I was trying to be so slow. Get it out of the corner, twin.
Gotta make sure you don't hit it.
There we go. Oh. It's an insanely good shot, though. Too good of a shot to exist. Why are you tossing the puck? Pass it to me, twin.
I'm like Happy Gilmore. How he wants to play like hockey, but he's bad at skiing.
You're just bad at. You're just bad.
Well, I'm Happy Gilmore, man. I'm Happy Gilmore, man. I should probably pursue golf. Have you heard of Happy Gilmore?
Yeah, I watched Happy Gilmore 1.
Have you seen the second?
No.
You got. I mean, it's not as good as the original, but it's still pretty good.
Come on, just get it out. Get it out the corner.
Stop rising!
Hey there. Okay, you know what? Kind of lucky. No one likes your nice guy. Okay, we gotta do it. Let's do it. This game's not having as much dialogue as I expected it. Take that clip through the here and that. insane instant replay. Where's that dog?
Dang it.
Just lost
I just tried to hit it in there.
I don't think people realize that that doesn't work. You have to hit it.
I tried to hit it. I tried to throw it in there.
Hold on. If you give. Okay, so I have to get to 16. You cannot let that go in. Good. Because that would be insane. Like, I want to try to put. No. Twin. Thank you. Oh my god. I want to try to get good, like, replays of the goals. If no good goals are scored, then I can't put good replays, you know?
Where's the marks for? Like the red and blue marks?
They're just there to exist because that they exist.
Oh.
And they're there for certain penalties and rules.
Where's the pencils you did box?
We need to add that. No, it's gonna.
No!
A good replay. 16. She's 17, Scott. Hold up.
Oh, that was so close. I could have. What the heck? How did that hit?
I'm gonna go on my stick. Yeah, 17 now.
Or what am I? I have 5. Wait, yeah, I'm at 5.
Here.
I made that. Did I make that?
Yeah. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna face off this time. Too many goals are being scored too far this time. Okay, you have to make it to 10, and I have to make it to 17.
Isn't that kind of unfair?
Skill level. Also, we're not gonna count that. Twin!
Why'd you even count that? Okay, I guess you get one too.
Twin! Just leave it there. No mistakes, please. Now, if I don't hit it. There's like no challenge. That's why I didn't count.
Oh wait, that was actually kind of good!
It was! You're getting better at this. Okay. Hold on. I think I might have to change
no.
yours to 15 as well. Fancies are getting better. It's off. Get that air somewhere out.
No! You said it again.
You're getting too close. Ain't no way I can lose to the fancy things. I cannot let my friend down, bro. Cause this is his team, not mine. I got nothing to worry about. I'm just a filling guy because he wouldn't show up.
Wait, are you the beach? Wait, are you the pirates right now?
No, I'm the desert sandstorm.
Who's the desert sandstorm?
Skeleton team. Oh, full stop. Full stop. I said full stop.
What's full stop?
Like, you just shut up now.
No.
That counts.
Yay!
Hey, I gotta lock in. No one messing with my team. Back from shot. I cannot afford to hold. Don't hit it. Don't hit
Wait,
it.
shoot. Okay, thank God that
Just like skate it somewhere. Please hit the net. Please hit the net. Oh. This is not good for me. This is not. Don't hit it immediately. You come to this red circle right here. I gotta be a goalie. Okay, let's go. Hold on.
almost. Wait, did you win?
I got one more to go.
I gotta walk in. You're gonna win. I don't win. Dang it.
That's the thing. If you watch previous game, you gotta learn to not take your turn. That would have been great, though. I figured out what goal horn I'm gonna use. I figured out what goal horn I'm gonna use for you. For your team. I gotta get to 18 to win.
Oh no.
Why'd you do that to him? I gotta get to 18. And you gotta get to 16, okay. I'm getting too confident with this.
That was like the most stressing thing ever. You were like so close. Okay. I gotta get to 16 or 15.
16. But for your skill level, I'll maybe make it 15. Depending on the goal.
Dang it. I don't know why I did that.
But it's how did that not go through the glass? And that's gonna be a straight. Oh.
Pick up.
Nope. That does. We have a tradition where we always play a certain song that has something to do with shooting. Whenever the game-winning goal's being scored.
Oh no! No! This is the end!
Fancies, what do you have to say?
I mean, I was pretty close.
Also, we're going to use the Chicago Blackhawks skull horn for you. How do you feel about that?
Does it look cool? Is it purple?
I think it does have purple in it.
Oh, okay.
Like the slightest bit. That's
Now
about
watch me play the drum.
that's about it for today's game, though. I'm the Desert Sandstorm owner. That guy's the owner of the fancies. We're out.